Hi, my name is Victor Lugo, and I will be the Foley Artist. For those of you who don't know, a Foley Artist was named after Jack Foley, who was one of the first developers of sound effects back, I think he was in the 30s possibly. But anyway, long time ago, before a lot of electrical sound. So we have a lot of devices here that create multiple sounds. One of my favorites is a train sound. So we have a washboard with a brush that will take the track sound. You can do the so many options. You got to be pretty versatile, and it's a lot of fun. Get your tickets at alohatheatre.com.